guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful wig provided to me by Yolissa Hair. So it's 24 inches and it's natural black, but I'm sorry, this is giving me low-key jet black. For some reason with this particular hair company, every time that I order, because this is my first time ever receiving hair from them. Normally I just buy it. The hair tends to come a lot darker and I tend to dye my hair jet black, so I honestly appreciate that. But it's what the hair looks like, and I got it in 24 inches and it is 200% density. And when I tell you, you're gonna see that density, like, do y'all see how full this is? Like, it is so full, it is so pretty, and the install was honestly super easy. Like, I think because like when you get HD lace, and good HD lace just makes your install a lot easier. I feel like that's why a lot of people tend to struggle with installs, because you're not using HD lace. Like, even till this day I struggle with installing hair that's not HD lace because it's really hard to blend. But baby, when I tell you, this lace melted really good. And keep in mind, I'm not the best at installing my hair. I do my best. This was so easy. It didn't take me that long. I took my time because that's how I am. But y'all, when I tell you, this hair is amazing. I washed it yesterday and I bleached the knots. I did over bleach a little bit, so you might see it look a little yellow at some points. I did over bleach, but I did use my foundation powder to you know, to kind of go over my lace. But overall, I don't think I did a bad job because she's giving. Now let me shut up and let me stop talking. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, just keep on watching. One thing that I didn't do is I didn't pluck it at all. I did not pluck this wig whatsoever. I was actually about to pluck this wig, then I realized that, bro, I don't have to pluck this wig. It's actually very unnecessary to pluck it, because one thing that I don't like to do, I don't ever like wigs that are over plucked, only because if I do decide to keep wearing it and you over pluck a wig, like, basically, like, when you first get a wig and if you over pluck it too much and you want to like wear it for like a while, and the hairline already is just over plucked, it's just gonna, I don't know, it's just gonna lessen, I guess, like the wear time that you really have with the wig because it's over plucked. So this is actually perfect. I'm telling you guys, I did not pluck, not even once. Like, it looks so good. Like, I'm actually excited to install this wig. I'm so excited. So I'm not gonna talk throughout this video. You guys can just really, you know, just sit back and watch. But yeah, like I said, I've just kind of secured it, and then I'm gonna cut my ear tabs, add my middle part. It actually came in a middle part, so I didn't even really have to part it. I just had to, you know, kind of part it again a little bit when I was washing it, because I don't really, you know, keep that intact when I bleach my knots. But yeah, all I've literally done to this wig is just bleach the knots and put some foundation on it. And the foundation that I used the Ruby Kisses foundation. On focus, there we go. I use it in shade 15. It's just what I prefer, and I feel like it just matches my skin tone really well. Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I
crush on you, that's true. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love is mine. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long, your love goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a hallelujah. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a hallelujah. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Listen, she said it, not me. I am getting the wig installed, so I'm tinting her cap with some makeup first, and then I tinted her lace prior as well. We want to do a side part on this glueless wig. She did get this from my recent collection. This wig is called Russet, and she is available for pre-order if you want to grab it. It doesn't come in the cut that we're gonna do, but you will see that we really turned the whole middle part wig into a fire side part. Now we're doing the baby hairs, and I like to use Evan for this. I feel like it holds, and it can get a little crunchy, but it works.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, city miss. Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this.